Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block someone or anyone on TikTok app for free. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch a TikTok app and let's find who we want to block. Let's say we want to block this account over here. All we gotta do is to go on the account itself and then you want to click on the arrow that is on the upper right corner. Okay, do you see that? You click on it and you see you have three menus, 1, 2, 3. The third menu over here, it simply has the block button. When you click block, this is what is going to happen with this particular account. They will not be able to send you messages to us. They will not be able to see our posts or to find our account. This doesn't include extended scenarios, as if you are part of the live stream of someone else, they're gonna see you. Yes, they do. If somebody posts a duet with you from their account, this you're gonna see you because the duet has been posted from other account, not from yours. And also if you participate in group chats, they also gonna see you because the chat is run by somebody else who didn't block them. But essentially in any other scenario, this is how you block them and they're not gonna be able to see your account, your information, and your content. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.